Okay, today I'm going to show you how to install the toilet seat and how to install it on this TOTO toilet. This specific TOTO toilet is model number CST874. Now, installing the toilet seat on this particular toilet is totally different from all other toilets, and the reason is this toilet is skirted. So there's no way to access the plastic nuts on this toilet. And I guess when they installed the old toilet seat on this particular toilet, this is what it used. This nut was actually fell out after I was loosening up the old toilet seat, and it fell out and fell through here. And the right side, it didn't fall out of the from the back. It's actually still stuck somewhere there. So when it came to replacing a new toilet seat, I couldn't even use this hardware because I cannot access from the back, which is very small. So I had to order this hardware. This is the exact part number. It's TOTO, and it's THU651N, top mount seat hardware for a skirted toilet. This is what you need in order for you to install the toilet seat. So I'm going to cut open this hardware. It cost $10, about $10 I'd say, and you really need this if your toilet is the exact toilet model number like this, and this also comes with Santa Glass, and if it's also skirted. So I'm going to pause the video and open this up and show you what the hardware looks like. Okay, so I opened it up, and thankfully they gave us instructions. It's the top mount bolt installation instructions. You do need this. This is a Phillips head screwdriver. Yep, a Phillips head. And I'm going to show you the hardware right now, what it looks like. See, this is the hardware. It has a screw in it. So what you have to do first is you have to remove the screws out and then put the rubber thing in. You have to make sure this is all clean. Make sure you wipe it clean, and it should be dry before installing these. So here's what the instructions say. Insert rubber bushings nuts into bowl seat holes. That's the first. Notice remove existing seat if necessary. 2 is place seat on bowl and rotate the hinge unit into place while holding seat down on bowl. 3 is slide washer onto bolt, fasten and tighten bolt from top with screwdriver. Replace bolt cap and lower lid if necessary. So here's the diagram. So first you have to do the rubber bushing, and then the stopper seat, that probably comes with the toilet seat, and then the hinge unit, which is basically this plastic thing. That's the hinge unit, and you see the stopper seat is hooked up already to the hinge unit. And then the washer, that's the silver part right here, and the bolt. And the bolt cap, well, we have these covers, so that's not a big deal. So I'm going to show you the step of installing these rubber bushing nuts. I'll pause the video and show you a demonstration. Okay, so we're going to install the rubber bushing, the bolts into these holes. So And what you want to do is you want to take a screwdriver and try to force it down like that. Oh, okay, I messed up on that one. I'll try to get it. So you gotta be careful. I will let it stop there for now and just push it. My hand's a little tricky, but just push it in as much as you can. Alright, let me try to find the other one and see if I can get that out. Luckily, I got this out from the back of the left side. Because it was the left side, it was easier. But boy, this was really tricky. Okay, so I'm going to try to see if I could install the left side. I won't use too much force this time. I know, it's just, this is the hardest. Alright, so I'm going to leave it there, and then I'll try to see if I could seat it, because I can't hold the camera. So now this is what it looks like. I'll pause the video and show you the next step. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look like. I know, what I did was, I used the screwdriver, but I tapped it a little bit so it's seated. So that was a trick. And how I got this one, well, I was lucky enough to find a drain, a plastic drain, you know, there's a disposable drain thing, and I fished it out, tried to push it out, and that's how this thing got pushed out, and I was able to reach it from the back of the toilet right over here. I know this is a very tedious job, you know, since this is a skirted toilet. Now all I have to do is, with the bolt and the washer, I just have to put it through and then tighten it. Same thing with this one, and of course it has a Phillips head, and so I will connect that into the rubber washer, which is already installed, and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so these are how it's installed. What you have to do is make sure you press down on the bolt with the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure you turn it, you know. After that, make sure you wiggle it, make sure it's not moving, right? And then after that, you can close these covers. And then you can open and you can close the seat. And just moving to make sure it doesn't wiggle, it's not out of place. And this is how you install a toilet seat hardware on a TOTO CST 874 with the Santa Gloss or any toilet that is skirted. I hope this video helps.